I might fart, but
I am at a lifetime high right now.
and that's just irritating. You deal with all types of shit here. People don't have consideration, so he want all of this. This better be in the video somewhere. We got so many things going on. I'm vlogging. What do you want me to approve? I gotta approve this, and then I gotta approve. I gotta do all this stuff.
So it's just to recap everybody that we went ahead and booked from the casting, and then she just went ahead and put each shade with the person,
Okay.
so you could see. And then we just sent it to Carla for references. She could
Fire
start.
starter, berry gay, rich bitch, fat ass, freaky peach, and very that. Yep.
Lovely.
Okay. What's this?
This is for paid influencers.
Okay.
For Chiclapa.
Okay.
So this is based off of our last update. Remember, we updated the MUAs.
Okay.
Actually, if you click on,
Are they on board or?
these are confirming that you could reach out. They can reach out to them.
Okay.
So just your thoughts.
Anything else?
I just sent you the mailer for Chiclapper and A for Shade, but just for you to have. You know,
Where
you
is
already
it?
approved it
Where is
in the text message I sent you.
I can't even get my nails done. I'm approving so many things. Okay, so this is the mailer. Okay, approving mailer. Do we have like a section where all the mailers are, you know, like Kiki, like all the historic ones, just so we have them? I just love keeping them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. And then the last thing.
Another one? Another thing to approve?
Um,
My teeth are gonna shift back crooked. Where's my Invisalign, Sheila?
the actual song. If you want to listen to it to make any tweaks.
Where is it?
It's in our message.
Can I see the lyrics too? I'm approving models, I'm approving paid, I'm approving everything under the sun. Thank you. And then I'm also fasting again. Ah.
What you do when you need a smooth mat? You a rich bitch, blush deposit beyond fat.
Love it. All right, so we are here at the auditions for Chiclapper. It's our first ever open call casting. Obviously, because of restrictions, we did online submissions, and this is technically kind of like a callback. So I'm super excited to see everyone. My team is here. They said that it's exciting and it's great, and let's get in the vibes.
And they do 2 times, and then after 2 times, they just switch line in between so you can see everybody in the front. And then the second time, after the second time, we'll just pick a different song and they do some twerk, and then we'll take, they have all headshots and pictures, so like we can just get one pile of people we want, people that we don't.
Okay.
People we don't want, we can tell them like,
Okay.
you know.
I'll just give you notes, and if you just stay next to me and Fabian, and I'll just, so you can just take them from me, and then I'll just be like, oh, well, who did I say that I liked? Okay. Yeah. Going back to the auditions, I'm wearing Wednesdays right now.
Oh, perfect.
Nice, good job guys.
This is so hard.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for doing what you're doing for our people. I really appreciate it. Yes. Thank you, Patrick. Thank you.
When I say that these cheeks getting clapped, a bitch really talking about a blush that slaps. Now bitch looking beat and ready to shake ass. What you looking at? My cheeks are up here, peep that. Slap that 3D blush pack on your pretty ass. Tapping my bitch pack and back that and slap that 3D blush pack on your pretty ass.
Hi vlog. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. We're here on set for Chiclapper. We just got on set. There's Peter. And we're gonna have a fun time today. And I'm gonna get hit by a car. It's a fun set. A lot of dancing, a lot of moving. We had a dance rehearsal yesterday, and it's like so much. I just have a lot going on in my brain today. I'm just trying to like be in the present and just be happy And no, I am happy, but it's just like a lot to think about, especially when it comes to like a shoot. That's a lot of money.
Hi, how are you? Good, and you?
So, spray this on everybody.
Yeah, first girl.
Hi, I'm Joella, and we're on the set of Cheek Clapper. I am known for doing music for all the queens across the world, especially RuPaul's Drag Race, baby. I have done music for VH1, MTV, Netflix, HBO, We're Here, and the gorgeous and fabulous Miss PatrickStarrr, honey. I have done all her singles, Go Off, Don't, Got the Glam, okay? Coming to set today was so crazy. I've never experienced this because I don't travel. Listen, I could barely make it out of bed in the morning, okay? So the fact that PatrickStarrr got me on a plane over here, gave me the VIP treatment, I was shook, okay? There's a lady over here doing fanning my face. There's a lady over here that was rubbing my feet. There was a lady over there that was massaging my buttocks. Okay, I was living for the whole fantasy. Thank you, PatrickStarrr, for serving me an amazing team. From hair to makeup to shoes to feeding me, honey. Y'all did that. One size, baby. Thank you.
He's gonna make me look like a Spice Girl from 2020 that got stung by bees.
Hi, I'm Mikey Angelo, or Mr. Grande on TikTok and YouTube. I am a songwriter slash rapper slash singer. Just everything I do revolves around music. I love music. So this was actually my first time ever getting in GLAM, like ever. So it was, you know, my eyes watered a bit, but I feel like I did pretty good. I handled it like a champ. The girls got me done. They got me the full regalia. I feel so put together. It was amazing. It was so good.
This is the talented rapper, Mikey. First ever beauty campaign shoot.
First ever beauty campaign, and it's the right one.
Love it, love it. You're in your oats and your berries with the glam.
Oh, they got me glammed up with the gals.
Glam, the lashes, the blush.
Everything.
Cheek Clapper, check it out.
My adrenaline was spiking after I came off the set. After my first take, I was like just on a high. I could not believe that I was there doing that with PatrickStarrr, like in a video for a campaign. Like it's my first time doing anything like this. Like he literally plucked my ass out of New Mexico and was like, here you go, babe. And it's been a dream come true. I'm so happy.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time?
I am at a lifetime high right now. I never want to take it off. I'm gonna keep this lip mark on my face forever. I'm living the full fantasy here.
Yes. Andrew's making me do all types of shit because he has a husband and a kid now, and so he wants his fantasy to see me in that position. And his last name is Valentine, so he want all of this. And Cedric.
Are you showing any of this, Martin?
No, it's just the legs. Huh?
You want me to unzip this?
Yeah, maybe. Hi, you're watching Pornhub.
Okay.
Andrew's first porn. I might fart, but I might fart. This better be in the video somewhere. I'm dead.
Up here, grab it from back here, and then he's gonna
Hold like,
more these.
hold like right. Yeah, but hold from like, hold a little bit of my calf. Yeah, like we're faping this.
Baby, kick your shoes up. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
Peter, cut. I'm just kidding. We're doing beauty now because we're a beauty brand, and that's what we do. We always do like essence, which is like always the mood and the vibe, but this is the money shot. So this is what I do the best because I don't have to twerk or dance. We hire professionals for that.
Are you excited?
No, turn
Bitch, I'm
it
ready.
on.
One size, bitch. One size for me, honestly, I think it's bigger than what Patrick even thinks what it's for, because when I was growing up, my parents did not believe in me being a homosexual, me being gay, me being expressive. They took a lot of my light away. All of that shine that I felt like I had as a little kid was stripped away from me. And it makes me really sad. So when I see a brand like One Size, a makeup brand that is for everybody, I fell in love. I stand by the brand because what it's doing for me and what it's doing for every little kid that is growing up feeling like they're different. One Size, what they're doing for us as a community is making us feel that we belong.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends.
One Size is the perfect description of acceptance in all categories. Like, it's just, you walk into this work environment and it's so like accepting and loving, and there's just love in the air, there's creativity in the air, happiness. No one's excluded from it. Everyone can be a part of the One Size family, so it's really awesome. I was writing songs in my bedroom like a couple years ago, just with a dream, and now I'm in Hollywood, like with these choreographers, learning like a dance to my verse. It was just, it's so surreal. Someone pinch me.
Guys, that is a wrap here.
Crazy.
With Joella, Mikey, all the dancers, Cedric, Angie Valentine, and the rest of the One Size team. It's a dream come true, but even more of a dream with the people that I love, like Joella.
Girl, thank you for, listen, y'all, she doesn't get the credit that she deserves. She gives so many people opportunities and she makes dreams come true, and you have honestly changed my life for the better. And
thank you. This would not be the same if you didn't grace your ass in at least one convention. She's never flown out to LA, and it's a joy to have her here for One Size. And we're like sisters. We call each other, we kiki.
Good vibes, babe.
Yeah, we love it.
We just have fun.
Have good vibes. If you want to check Joella out, follow her on YouTube. She does live. She's so sickening and fierce. TikTok, Instagram, and check out her music.
The bitch, see you on set. She's a professional. Y'all, we went to choreography the other day. She picked it up
last night.
And like this, and today she's on set and slayed it. And I was like, that's inspiring.
Shantae's day.
Oh, baby, you won the $100,000 check. Okay. She done slayed.
Thank you. Just remember to have gratitude for the people around you. It's not just one person to get this far in your career. I have an amazing team. I have amazing support, friends, authenticity, and humility is just around us. So I love you guys. I love you, Joella.
One size fits all.
One size fits all.
And I believe it.
Yes.
I live it, and you live it, and we all live it.
Yes.